6080 Yonge is a 14-story condominium community with 247 suites located on Yonge Street in North York, just north of Finch Avenue and the subway station. It's a boutique residence and it has 1, 2, and 3-bedroom layouts, along with an amazing collection of lifestyle amenities for residents to enjoy and take advantage of. The application has been really popular with prospects, but actually also realtors visiting the office have been super impressed. We're finding that everybody really likes being able to conceptualize the building with a visual that brings it off paper and the plans into 3D, and it really helps prospects immerse themselves and open up their imaginations. The key benefit to using the SmartPixel app has really been showing people what they're getting. It's really easy to use and people are gravitating toward the screen on their own, playing around with it. So showing the prospect the building model, where the suite that they're interested in is located, along with the views, is something that we use very often. We've had a really positive experience working with the SmartPixel team. Everybody that we've worked with has been really great, very responsive, thorough, and willing to work with us. As a client, I feel like I'm in very good hands with this team and really trust them to get the job done. SmartPixel cares about the product that they deliver, and it really shows. We believe that this team goes above and beyond, and so far it's been a wonderful experience.